You tell me when.
Can you say hi to the camera? Say, my mom is holding me for the first time. Oh, let's show the camera your body. Let's show. Look. Oh, look at those faces. He's like, don't show people my feet. His head rubbed.
Does he like his head rubbed?
Every time I've done it, he stopped crying.
He calms down.